can be both physical, emotional, no? And basically, it's parang what you call an oppression of a community, of a certain group over another. Because it's basically harassment and parang what you would say, power-based, no? Parang sense of superiority over the other. Tapos, the objective is to make the other person or the victim of bullying feel unwanted, oppressed, hurt, without friends. No, yun yung gano'n na yung effect. So, basically, that's bullying. Tapos it comes in different forms nga. Diba? Yeah. I mean, I've enumerated some of them. Yung forms can be physical. Yung mga tipong you get, di ba, at the usually see the television depicted in media, di ba, where sinusuntok, di ba, their box, they're hurt, they're tripped, or you play tricks on them, di ba? It's physical. Another one would be emotional, where you either spread stories or, rumors about that person, you talk about that person behind his or her back, but you make it a point that the other person knows. So the objective there is to really, the net effect is the hurt and the feeling of estrangement that the victim feels, which results in